Well, agentic AI is getting a lot of attention right now. All these systems that don't just suggest things anymore, they actually do things. Plan, decide, execute. And it sounds impressive. But I think the real question is, should we actually trust it end to end? Just because AI can act on its own doesn't always mean it should. When AI starts executing tasks, not just suggesting, the whole thing changes a bit. Sending something, triggering something, making a decision, without anyone really noticing in the moment. And that's a very different level of responsibility. At the same time, it's very easy to just let it run. It's fast. It sounds confident. It doesn't hesitate. So naturally, you start checking less. You rely on it a bit more each time until it quietly becomes the default. And this is exactly where real project experience starts to matter. In real delivery environments, we often work with AI systems that can move beyond simple implementations, actually generating and executing actions within workflows. And there is always a human-centric golden mean in AI. So before any meaningful action is taken, there's always a point where the system surfaces intent, and the human makes the final call. Because in practice, AI is extremely effective at handling volume and speed, but context, responsibility, and judgment still sit with people. And that's not a limitation. That's a deliberate design choice.